I closed my $550,000, $500,000 short position in profits. What's next is the worst over, and they opened already a new position. So let us watch together here. Here's the proof in my Telegram group, which is absolutely for free, bratans. If you're trading through my affiliate link, you see here, I closed it. One trade was 15 Bitcoin position, $2,000 profits. And here the second one was 17 Bitcoins and also around $2,000 in profit. So all in all, around $4,000 I did profits. And in my Telegram group, you can see here, you get a recap of all my videos, and you see here step by step how I'm entering new positions and what I'm doing with my trades. By the way, here amazing, CZ from Binance, the CEO from Binance, retweeted my tweet where I said Google report 70 billion revenue for Q2, and he said, put things in perspective, bad news, crypto is tiny, good news, we are still early. Props to CZ, thank you for supporting me, amazing, bratan. So if you want to join my Telegram group, which is absolutely for free, bratan, you can join it by the link down below, but only for professional traders, so only for people who are trading through my affiliate link and have a $500 initial deposit. So let's go, because I want only to have professional traders, and I'm doing my trades by myself, not the bot or something else. I think the only one, bratan. So let us go right now straight, and I want to clarify. A huge relief rally to 30K is imminent, bratans. This is so up front. This is what I want to say up front again, because it's very clear. We see it. I mean, it's more than clear on the technical side. You see here on the daily, we see RSI is going up while the price is moving down. It's a very, very clear bullish divergence. So this is what we see on the Bitcoin and S&P 500, showing us even on the 4-hourly a very clear also bullish divergence. I mean, you see here, wait a minute, where was it? It was here. You see the price is going up, the green line, while the RSI, you see it here, is going down, right? So wait a minute, where is it? No, where is it? Yes, it was here. So while the price is going down, so in my opinion, this is also very clear bullish divergence on the S&P 500 and Bitcoin. And let us watch in the immediate short term. So I took profits, but is the worst over? So if you watch my video in the morning, I entered a short as soon as we broke the symmetrical triangle to the downside. I entered immediately, approximately here a short position, and get out at 60,420, so approximately here. So it was amazing profits of over 1%, but I was with over $500,000 profits, so $4,000 I made profits. Amazing, bratans. And you see, look how perfectly we retested here this yellow line. I mean, this amazing TA from Slavik younger. And right now I immediately jumped into long as soon as we broke this green line to the upside, right? I saw we passed the retest of this yellow line, and then I immediately jumped into a long, and I want to share with you this long position right now. You see here, this long position is at the moment $100 in profit, $127,000 in contract size. So this is one long position, and here is another long position, a second one, which is right now $190 in profit, 7%, $131,000 in contract size. So all in all, I'm again with $250,000 in a trade, but in a long. However, bratans, be very careful right now and hear me out, bratans. Always do your own research, but this long position is not I'm not so safe like with the short. Why? I explain you right now. So be here with me, bratans. And if we are watching right now on the daily, what could right now happen? We have here right now at the moment formed something like a double bottom, right? You see here, a double bottom is very bullish, and we could form here a W, right? So if we are forming this W, then the technical price target of this W would be here approximately, wait a minute, would be approximately, here make the yellow white line, would be approximately, if we're breaking 16,900, then this W is valid, and then the price target is around 17,300. So right now my long position could make over 4.6% profit. So therefore, I'm staying in my long position right now. This could be massive, massive long opportunity, which I also took. I showed you, right? I took this long opportunity. However, when I will close my short, my long, I'm right now in a long. Here, you see it again. Here, I'm right now in my long position, right? This one trade and the second trade you saw. So I will close my long position immediately if we're breaking 16,400. If we're breaking 16,400, then my first price target will be here, very clear. First one would be here 60,200, and if we're breaking 60,200, the next price target would be 15,880 approximately. So this could be short of 3%, right? But only if we're breaking 60,400. So right now, again, there are several scenarios which could happen, and right now you have to understand me, bratans, because a lot of people writing in the comments, I mean, something like you get liquidate. I hear every video people commenting this, but they get wrecked, not me. However, do your own research, and you have to understand we have always only two possibilities, up or down, right? This is clear. However, we are working with probabilities, right? Is the probability more likely to up or downside? Trading is all about probabilities, not certainties. I cannot tell you 100% we go up or we go down. Everyone who tells you 100% we go up or down is not a real trader, bratans. It's all about probabilities. So, therefore, we have several scenarios which I'm watching out right now. So, the first scenario is this W, right? This is this W, right? Therefore, I'm in a long right now, right? However, even though if this W will work out, I will immediately at 17,300 take my profits. Why? Because we could reach here easily 17,300. And if we're reaching here after this W 70,300, we could see a dump to our price target of this. Where is this green line coming from? Wait a minute, I have to delete this green line. We could see this dump coming to around 14K. I mean, I didn't draw this amazing here, bratans, but you understand, right? Wait a minute, what I did here. Wait a minute. Why we could see another drop, even if we see to 70,300, another drop to 14K. I explain you because we didn't saw here right now a real liquidation of all the long positions. We have to see here a real capitulation before we see a huge pump to the upside. I mean, look before. When we saw here, for example, here on the previous bull market, right? I mean, on the last bull market, which we saw a real dump. We saw 2 days in a row, we saw all in all a dump of over 7%, right? Before we saw relief rally to the upside. So this was a real capitulation, right? Also, before we saw here a relief rally to the upside, when we saw the previous bottom, when here you see 2018, when we created here this local bottom, we saw also a real capitulation. You see, I mean, this capitulation was even 50% around, right? So this is not what we saw right now. I mean, compared to this big capitulation you see here this big capitulation, or here this one, and you see here, I mean, it's almost nothing, right? So therefore, I want to see a real capitulation to at least here, to see a drop to at least to 14K. So this would be 15%, or let it be 5% to 15,500, right? But we have to see a bigger capitulation wick, a real red wick to the downside before we can see starting the real rally to 30K. This is what I'm watching. However, for us day traders or even hourly traders, we could make profits on this long, which could be, like I explained to you, there's two scenarios. The first scenario is that we see here this W working out to 70,300. Then we can still long here. This is where I'm right now in a long. The second scenario, if we are breaking below this yellow line. Wait a minute. Where is it? I think it's on the 1 hourly. Yeah. If we break below this yellow line, I closing my long and I jumping straight into the short with the price tag of 6,200 and 15,900, right? This is clear two scenarios in my opinion. This is what I'm right now doing, and here I show you also again my trade. Here's the first trade, $200 in profit, 8% profit, $130,000 in contract size, and here's the second trade, which is right now $285 in profit, 10% profit, $131,000. So already $500 in profits, all in all, amazing. And bratans, if you want all this information, my Telegram group, absolutely for free. Like I explained to you, you can join. Here is the link. Where is it? Oh, I didn't. I am okay. Wait a minute. I show you in a second. I have the link in my description here under this video. I show you here here from the last video. You have here in the description. Wait a minute, blood. You have here in the description the link. You can join if you're trading through my affiliate link. You get a free access to my Discord and Telegram channel. You get free trade and you get signals, but only after $500 initial deposit. Why? Because I want to have only in this Telegram group real traders, people who are serious about trading and not just playing around and losing money. Very important, bratan. So link is down below. I kiss you and I see you later. Mwah.